Kunconywe ukuzithoba kwephoyisa uColonel Neshutha emva kwevidiyo esabalele ezinkundleni zokuxhumana umama emsho ngawo wonke amagama ethi kuyigwerekwere makaphindele kwelakubo. Leli phoyisa likhombise ukuzithoba noba umpetha emsebenzini walo alimphendulanga kabi lisiqondile isimo angaphansi kwaso. Lokhu kwenzeke kumbhikisho ubuseThekwini izolo.
Ngithi mina it's because angizwa uyezwa ngithi mina umseshi waleli cala ufike kimi ngihleli phansi no IO wecase yami against your Colonel uyezwa uthi wenze kahle walizela because ngiyakufuna no Jacinta uyangizwa isesizwa leso Zulu noma ufuna uzokutolikela ngoba mina ngitolikela futhi usendaweni wrong la ngathi mama ngithi I'm saying to you iloya kaJacinta ifonelwe yimi uZuma noJacinta ngimtshela ukuthi kuthiwa siyafuneka.
The very same lawyer agreed with the IO that Jacinta you and other people come at a later date to take your warning statement, not today.
Lalela awungizwa ukuthi ngithini yezwa yini awungizwa ukuthi ngithini ngithi no sorry baba that's not harassment that's not ngeke ungishiye ngikhuluma no mise wena kangilalela mise wena ngilalela ngeke uzungishiye kanje ukhuluma ngento address case ngine case engane yami mina elimene okuqhubekayo isikhathi wena mina ngifuna ngisize manje I'm not talking about the court cases. Remember, I told you I was coming from police station. Ngidinga usizo manje. Nimfonele ngicela ukuthi nginele ngisengize la mina. Even udokotela akwazi ukuthalisa i-88.
Here we are. How do I assist you now here?
Nithe angize la udokotela ufuna nize kwanini esibhedlela nengane for J88. Uthi uKhenel wakho angime la. Angisizakele ngithi kuphele 4 hours wena ucabanga ukuthi aphatheminde yoKhenel ubani nomayeza okuye novulele case la ayisuka anifuna namuntu onengqondo wazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani hamba ngakini yosebenza ngakini sikhuluma isizulu ukukile hawu vele ikhitha soyidila namakorekore wena uyasikhwerezela mawuqala amakorekore abantu abamakhaya isizulu sithi umuthi kwere ngingakuzwa uyangikwerezela hayi ukuthi sithi kwerekore ngoba ungakaphali uyikwerekore wena isuka la Kaya ningivulele. Anivulele la. Uphela lo mfazi uphi oKhenel we.
Singakhohlwa ke futhi ukucindezela ulike siphinde futhi sisubscribe.